of Kotowanai. The grammar of Kotowanai is mean there is no need to. Something never happens. There is no possibility that something. There is no need to. Something never happens, or there is no possibility that something. And in Japanese, when you use the grammar of Kotowanai, that means you should use with the verb in dictionary form only. You cannot use with the noun or adjective, including non-adjective or adjective. So remember that when you use Kotowanai, you can use with only the verb in dictionary form, and it has the meaning that there is no need to something, or there is no possibility that something, right? So to make more understand, let's go to see some sample together. The first sentence, Ayamaru koto wa nai yo. Ayamaru koto wa nai yo, which means there is no need for you to apologize. There is no need for you to apologize. The second sentence, Nani mo kowagaru koto wa nai. Nani mo kowagaru koto wa nai. It means you have nothing to fear. You have nothing to fear. You see that for the both of this sentence, they use the verb in dictionary form. Ayamaru is the verb, but it is a dictionary form. And for the second sentence, you see that they use with the verb of kowagaru. Kowagaru is the dictionary form too, so you can use it Kotowanai. And the next, 時間は十分あるから急ぐことはない。時間は十分あるから急ぐことはない。Which means there is plenty of time, so there is no need to rush. There is plenty of time, so there is no need to rush. The next example, 自分を責めることはない。自分を責めることはない。It means there is no need to be blame yourself. There is no need to blame yourself. For the first sentence, you see that they use the verb isogu, right? Isogimasu is mean hurry up. But they use the dictionary form isogu koto wa nai, that you don't need to be run or rush. And for the second sentence, they use with the verb semeru. Right? Semeru is the dictionary form of sememasu. So semeru koto wa nai. 自分を責めることはない is mean there's no need to blame yourself, right? Sometimes you do something wrong, you don't need to be blame yourself, because it's not you only, but another body also did many wrong things in the past. So something you have to avoid yourself. Sometimes you have to say thank you to yourself, right? Sometimes you have to blame yourself, but sometimes you no need. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of Kotowanai. Don't forget that you can use with only the verb in dictionary form when you use with the Kotowanai.